Today, we're diving into the world of SEO. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. We're gonna break down the essentials of SEO, from understanding what it is and why it matters to diving into practical strategies you can implement right away. The goal here is to demystify SEO and give you actionable steps to boost your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic. So if you're ready to climb the search engine rankings and watch your online presence soar, grab your notebooks and let's get started with SEO 101. Let's be real. You've probably heard the term SEO thrown around a lot, but maybe you're not entirely sure what it means or why it should matter to you. Well, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and in a nutshell, it's the art and science of making your website more attractive to search engines like Google. Think of it this way. When someone searches for something online, Google acts like a librarian, pulling up the most relevant and authoritative websites related to that search. SEO is all about making sure your website is at the top of that list. Why is this so crucial? Because let's face it, most of us rarely venture past the first page of Google results. We want information quickly, and we trust Google to deliver the best results. If your website is buried on page 5 or 10, you're missing out on valuable traffic, leads, and ultimately, revenue. SEO is about making your website more visible, and that translates to more potential customers finding you online. It's about establishing your credibility and authority in your niche, so that when people search for products or services you offer, your website is the one they click on. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. We're going to break down the key aspects of SEO into bite-sized pieces, so you can start implementing these strategies and seeing real results. Alright, now that we understand the why behind SEO, let's dive into the how. SEO can be broadly categorized into two main categories: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO is all about optimizing the elements that are directly on your website. This includes things like the content you publish, the keywords you use within that content, how you structure your website's navigation, and even the images and videos you use. Think of on-page SEO as making sure your website is well organized, informative, and easy for both search engines and users to navigate. It's like setting up a shop in a prime location with clear signage and an inviting atmosphere. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, is about building your website's authority and reputation outside of your own website. This involves factors like getting other websites to link back to yours, backlinks, being active and engaging on social media, and participating in online forums and communities related to your niche. Off-page SEO is like getting positive word-of-mouth referrals for your business. The more reputable sources that vouch for your website, the more trustworthy and authoritative your site becomes in the eyes of search engines. Both on-page and off-page SEO are essential for a successful SEO strategy. It's not about choosing one over the other, it's about creating a synergistic approach where both work together to boost your website's overall visibility and ranking. Now let's talk about one of the most fundamental aspects of SEO keyword research. Keywords are the terms and phrases people type into search engines when they're looking for information, products, or services. Effective keyword research is about understanding what your target audience is searching for, and then aligning your website's content to those searches. It's like speaking your audience's language and providing them with the exact information they're seeking. For beginners, a great place to start is with free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. These tools allow you to input seed keywords related to your niche and then generate a list of related keywords along with their search volume and competition level. When starting out, focus on long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that target a niche audience. For example, instead of targeting a broad keyword like shoes, you might target a long-tail keyword like best running shoes for flat feet. Long-tail keywords are less competitive, meaning it's easier to rank for them, and they attract more qualified traffic because you're targeting people who are further along in the buying process. Once you've identified relevant keywords, incorporate them naturally within your website's content, including page titles, headings, and body text. But remember, always prioritize user experience. Don't stuff keywords unnaturally. Focus on creating valuable, engaging content that provides genuine value to your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering SEO. See you in the next video. We covered a lot of ground today, but remember, SEO is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Start implementing these strategies gradually, track your progress, and don't be afraid to experiment and refine your approach along the way. The world of SEO is constantly evolving, but with the right knowledge and a proactive approach, you can position your website for lasting success in the ever-changing digital landscape.